Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 35. Quaestio trigesima et quinta. Quid est sanctificatio? Responsio. Sanctificatio est opus gratiae, quo in toto homine secundum imaginem Dei renoamur, et potentes efficamur, qui magis indies magisque peccato quidem moriamur, justitiae autem vivamus. The question, what is sanctification? Sanctificatio is feminine singular nominative, a third declension noun, and it is the predicate of this interrogative pronoun, quid, in the neuter singular nominative. Now the answer, sanctificatio, sanctification is opus gratiae, a work of grace. Opus is neuter singular and nominative, the predicate of sanctificatio, and gratiae in the feminine singular genitive. Sanctification is a work of grace. Quo, by which, this is a neuter singular, instrumental ablative, by which in the whole person, in the whole man, in toto homine, according to the image of God, secundum is a preposition which always takes the accusative. So imaginem, feminine, singular, and accusative as the direct object of secundum, as the object, I should say, of secundum. According to the image of God, masculine singular genitive, renoamur, we are renewed. Renoamur is a first plural, present indicative and passive from the first conjugation verb renovare, which means to make new again, to renew. We are renewed and we are made able. Potentes efficamur, we become or are made able. And potentes is masculine plural and nominative. It's the subject of efficamur. We are made able, we who, more and more, magisque, day by day, in dies. This is in and dies, like so, simply spelled together. It's an adverb. And so, potentes efficamur, we become able, and then this is a relative clause of characteristic expressing purpose. We become able to be the kind of people who, that is, in order that we might do two things. Moriamur, die unto sin, peccato, neuter, singular, and dative. And secondly, we may live, vivamus, unto righteousness. And this is feminine singular and dative. Live unto righteousness, moreover. So, more and more, day by day, magis indies magisque, we in fact, quidem, die to sin, live to righteousness. This is a portrait of Henry Hammond, 1605 to 1660. Hammond was a royalist, a supporter of the monarchy. Nominated to the assembly, he never sat with the other divines.